Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how to make a chair. First, add a cube and scale from set axis, move on the top and copy to the bottom. Open the menu and select vertex, move, rotate and scale. Move from the cube from the under base of the chair and select the edge for four corners of cube. Control B for bevel from level 3. Look like this and look at for the 3 level. Look like this. Close the publish. Oh, sorry. Code the manage. Yeah. Change the mode. And scale for bed. Open manage again and move from on the bottom of the base under. Close manage. Next, make the under base. Make the same thing of the on the top. Control B for 3 level, look like this, and Control R for look at for 3 level and change the mode. Oh. Okay. Select the vertex from the back and move from Y axis. Yep. Add cylinder to make a leg chair. Scale from Z axis. Move from Y and move from X. Or move from do you want to place chairless wherever you like. Change mode and select the underface. Control B for level 2 to 3. Yeah. Or level 3. Duplicate from Y axis from move. Select face on the top and move from set axis. Look like this. Look at for 4. Move from a nearby on the top face. Yeah. Select face and open the professional editing. Slash and move from Y axis. Look like this and rotate from X. Yep. Okay. After you finish, you can take this and rotate from 90 degree. Scale from Y axis and move the hair and paste from the between the chair front up and backwards. Bam. Use media modify. Select the under base. Miller. And finally, make a chair back at Q. At cylinder. Sorry. Rotate from 190 degree and scale from X and Y. Rotate for a little bit. Okay. Whoa. I think I can check for auto smooth and scale from set exit and place footage. Yeah, for shareback. That's the idea. Up and move from set again and look right this. Find the scale from X to scale and Y. Yep, look like this. And finally model shot is finished. Thank you for watching. And next, who want to watch how to make my texture, let's take a look from the next. Go to shading node and add principal BSDF, add texture coordinate, add mapping, add noise texture, and finally add the color lamp. Move the generators for the vector and move the vector of mapping for noise texture and facts to facts of color lamp and color for base color. Noise texture for 15 scale and run it. I think I should for 0.7 and yeah, look like this. And scale X is for 3 and Y I think I use for 1.5. Change the color you want. Bop. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. Oh, I think I can move from that. Oh, yep. Bop. Next, add visible, or you can copy this. Follow this. And I will create a metal texture. Make this for 1 and 9 texture. Oh, I think I should change for 10. Yep, and run it for 0.6 scale. Backslash and look at scale. Scale I think I should for 1.5 and Y for 2.5. Yeah, and change the color. Okay, select laminate for low for make a metal. Finally select solid. Select this and this the shell is. Control L and link material. Yeah. Finish from for the chair easy and make it just be easy. Thank you for watching. See you next time.